This module is designed for a mechanic manager, and this module is a part of Solufy. And this is another dashboard of this module. At the top you can see appointments per day chart. Under masters you have a doc types. Under reports you have two reports. The flow of this module starts with car appointment doc type. Here I enter customer. I am creating new customer. After enter the mobile number and then email address. After I enter the appointment date and appointment time, then I am entering the issue description. Below have a table. It includes the vehicle details with license plate. Here I am entering the vehicle plate. I am creating new vehicle. Save the vehicle. After I am saving the car appointment form. When first time form saved, then form status goes to schedule. Once mechanic change the status into confirm and save the document, then one button will appear at the top of the right, which is customer order form. Click the button and redirect the customer order form. In this form, all the customer's details and vehicle details are fetched from the car appointment. Here I enter the estimate delivery date. In this form, include pre-checklist information. There will be a pre-service checklist for the vehicle. The section of pre-checklist includes the vehicle condition summary, body damage, odometer reading, oil level, engine status, tire condition, battery status, and before image. In the mechanic review tab, the mechanic first check the vehicle after service will be start. Service will only be provided if the vehicle is repairable. Here I enter the mechanic name. I am creating new mechanic. I am entering the date of joining and service manager. Save the form. Then mechanic check the vehicle and as per mechanic enter the is vehicle repairable field. Then mechanic enter in suggestion. In the suggested repair tab, having a two type of table, which is service type table and product type table. Here I enter the service name entering the quantity rate. Next I am entering the product type, quantity, in the service mode section. Here this is the use project service template. The system having the project template like this. All common car repair service are included inside this single template. If the customer wants to use template, then tick the box and enter the service template. When the customer order form is saved, an email will be sent to the customer informing them to the estimate delivery date. The next step is the quotation. Click the button and redirect the quotation form. In this form, I enter the contact person information, I am entering the email. And tick the is primary. Next I am entering the contact number. And again tick is primary. Save the form. After save and submit the quotation, the next step is the sales order. Click the button and redirect the sales order. Here I am entering the delivery date. Save the sales order. After save the sales order, the selected template is shown in this table. Submit the sales order. The system will automatically create a project. In the project, the task will automatically created by the system and also template is shown in the table. Once all the tasks are set to completed, the project will automatically completed and also sales order will be automatically completed. Now project will update status and the sales order also completed. After I click the sales invoice button and redirect the sales invoice, save and submit the sales invoice. All the post checklist details are fetched from the customer order form. Submit the sales invoice. After I am creating the payment, I am entering the mode of payment is cash. Save and submit. The sales invoice status goes to paid. In a customer, have a service detail section. In this section, all the vehicle service information, which template used, which service taken and the service amount is shown in this section. In the report, we have two reports. One is appointment schedule report. is show on which date customer have created appointments along with the appointment status. And the last, mechanic wise appointment report.